I recently had someone request to show how I have my settings set up on my DJI Goggles V2 when it comes to how I'm recording my videos. They have a setup like mine, you know, with the same type of E-flite carbon, the T28, the 2-meter plane. I noticed that they're posting their videos on YouTube, and they're posting them at 1080p, and I'd asked them, where are you recording your videos from, and they're recording their videos from their goggles. And so this is just a quick video on how I'm doing it, and where my settings, how I got my settings set up on my goggles, and how I'm recording them. And you do have an SD card that you do have that you can put in your goggles, right here. And I do keep an SD card in here in the event that it is recording. In the event that if I was to lose the plane somewhere, I can go back and view the recording to help me find it. But the resolution in here is not something that I'm going to want to upload to YouTube and to show my videos. So I'm going to just real quickly show you what I do. Come here to settings. Come down here to about. I'm going to go all the way here to the bottom, which I'm just going to hit up, and it goes onto the bottom. And right here where it says switch aircraft model, it's something that I didn't show in my original tutorials. You see where it says DJI 03 Air Unit? I'm going to select that. Here are the different options that you have here. You got DJI FPV, the DJI Digital FPV System, the Avata, and the DJI 03 Air Unit. Since we're just using the Air Unit, this is what we select. So we don't have as many options, but this is what we have. So we're just going to leave that. All right, so let's go up to the camera, and I leave it at mine at, if you go to camera parameters, so I leave it at auto, because I don't mess with any of that, because I don't have any, I do all my video editing on either my iPhone or my iPad. Back out of that. All right, let's go to aspect ratio. I keep mine at 16:9. You could use the 4:3, but I'll leave mine at 16:9. As far as video quality, when I fly, I'm flying mine at 4K resolution, 60 frames per second. These are the different options you have, but I have a very good latency. It's not noticeable when I'm flying. This is where I'll leave it. And I use the Rocksteady for stabilization, video stabilization. So these are parameters that I use. This is everything that I use right here. And right here, under channel mode, I'll leave it on auto. Now, if there's other people at the field with you, if they're doing FPV, you would want to come in here to manual. And you'd want to change your, you'd want to change your channels, to something different. If you were, to make certain that y'all are on top of each other, so that way you'd lose video. those are the settings. Very simple. O3 air unit, it does have onboard memory that you can record to, but I don't want to have to hook the USB cable up to this thing every time that I want to download my my videos. So I keep an SD card in here, and what I do is after I finish flying and I bring this thing home, I pop this little card out, and you can see that it's right here. I pop it out, and then I connect it to my computer, and I pull the videos off, and that's where I edit them from. And so as you saw from my settings, in the goggles themselves, I'm recording at 4K 60 frames per second, and this is where the video recording is what I use to upload to my YouTube videos. So you can see it's not a hard setup. I do have 2 SD cards that I do use. I put one SD card in the plane, in the air unit, itself, and that's where the 4K 60 frame per second resolution is. That's what I use when I make my videos and I upload them. And then I do keep, for the low resolution, I do keep it in the goggles right here. And that is in the event that if I was to lose the plane and it was to go down to a field, I could go back and look at the recordings, and it could help me, hopefully help locate the plane. But that's it. All right, hopefully that helps. If you have any comments or questions, just post it and I'll reply. Thanks.